Hi, pleasant good day. Today we're doing an inspection on a Toyota CHR 2017. We're going to inspect the hybrid battery, the high voltage battery. Just check the condition of the bus bars. It's supposed to come in for maintenance to recondition the batteries and rebalance them. So we're just doing a pre-inspection before. We had to take out the back seat. Right, so the back seat has some clips to pop out, so we pop out this side, then we pop in out this side, right, and then we have the seat belts, right, this one bolt down, so as you raise, right, so as you raise the seat, let me go over this again. I thought I was recording before, but I didn't press record. So there's the back seat. Pop it out on both sides. Hold it, pull, plow. Right? Because basically it had these hooks here. That is fit inside here on both sides. Right? Right. This seat belt keeping the seat from coming out. So it's in this little rubber hose in here. And we just pull it out. I need my both hands to pull it out, and then I will show. Oh well. See in this little red, when I pull it out, you'll see this little red thing here. Yeah. Right, you could press it, and it will unclip the seat belt. Right? So you unclip it, you remove it, and we just go fit back this inside, right? And then we take out the seat, and there is your battery pack. 28 modules, nickel metal hydride, 7.2 volts. So it works up to about 201.6 volts, so high voltage could kill you. Right, so this is not a joke. It's serious thing. Right, so we get the back seat out. We see in the battery pack, cooling fan. These vents here, cooling fan vents. So you see any condition of it. Right, I think this one have a filter, we don't know for sure. Right, so we're taking out these clips here. So you're pushing it in, 1, 2. Right, and then we could just raise out the clips. 1, 2. Right. And you just pop out the side piece here. Right. Yeah, so it have a filter in a mess. Right. Right, so it has some clips on the side. And just pull it out. Right, if you watch, you'll see the clips it have. A white one, it have a next one on this side. So I don't want to break it, so I just want to pull it out. And similar on that side. Right. So we get off the panel, the part here with the filter. You see in the filter in a mess. We have this clip, these two clips. Right, this one missing the orange thing. And we can see the fan. Right, so we're taking off that side, and then this here is the service plug, so we need to disconnect that to make sure that we have no more high voltage. So press this down, right, so it locked there. Right, so you pull it down, raise the lever up, pull out the plug. Right, so basically it's just a jumper, a high voltage jumper, and them little 2 pins there, that is the interlock. Right, so them 2 pins going in the interlock. Right, so right, one step out. Going on the next side, take off the next set of plastic sheet. Right, and again, push it on, pull it out, right, similar, pop it out, right, again, similar on both sides, right. And then we raise up this one, right. So we take out all the clips, all the plastic. Now it's just to take out the frame so we can get access to the battery pack. Right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6. And on the next side, 7 or 8 bolts in all, right? To confirm the number. Alright, so there's the filter. For the high voltage. For the high voltage battery. Alright, so is to take out the frame is 12 millimeter bolts. So it's 1, and then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we slackening them first with the manual before we use any power tools, so we don't want to strip anything. So we just want to make sure that we slacken them. So now we could use the cordless and take them out.
Yeah, alright,
Right, so the frame, we take out the 6 bolts, 1, then on that side 2, and then it have 4 in front. Right, and then we lift out the frame and we reach on the battery there now. Right, so we take out the frame, and then on the service plug, see it has this little key thing here. If you watch, it have a groove, and you see it have a thing, so the groove is 15. Right, and then right, Alright, I need my both hands. But we get the gist. Right, so we need the service plug. The service plug is the tool to take out this. So slacken and raise up. Right, and we put this aside. We put this in the door pocket here. Right, and now we're going and take out these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this cover here could come off and we could disconnect the wires. Right, so service plug out, we take off the cover. Right, there's the cover there. So now we're just doing some voltage testing to make sure that we are no high voltage. Right, so you see, right, we are at 0. Right, so we safe to operate there. So we're taking out this jack, and but all these jacks, everything here had to come out for the battery pack to come out. Right, so I need my both hands to operate. Right, so we're taking out the battery pack there. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then we have one at the bottom there, 4, 1 here, 5 12mm bolts, and then we will lift it out. Right, so we disconnect the interlock plus this one here. Right, we disconnect the main positive, main negative. Right, and then we had to take out this here and take out the pack. Alright, so we disconnect all the wires that keeping the battery, that was keeping the battery from coming out on both sides. So now it's just to lift up the battery and take it out. Right, so battery out, cover off, 28 modules. Right, we're going on and take off these plastic covers, this black cover here. Right, and check the corrosion. See how it's looking for corrosion. Right, but basically that is it. Right, so you can see the conditions of the nuts. It is on one side. Right, in this battery pack, this is module number 1 because this is the main negative. Right, this is module number 2 because that is the main positive. So 28 modules in all. Right, so let me check on this side here. We will see the. Right, so that was on one side. Now we checking the nuts and the bus bars on this side. Right, so I took out one of the bus bars and you can actually see that the bus bars in a mess. You see the difference in the copper and then the see the corrosion. Right, so either we need to replace the bus bars or soak them in some acid and clean them.